Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable. This crucial step prevents accidental electrical shorts. Next, gather your essential tools, including a wrench set, a jack, and jack stands. Finally, locate the starter motor, typically found near the transmission on the passenger side. Proper preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now, let's get to the starter. Safely raise your vehicle using a jack and secure it with sturdy jack stands. You might need to remove one or two components, like an exhaust pipe or heat shield, to gain clear access. Once visible, carefully disconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire from the old starter. Remember which wire goes where for reinstallation. With the wires disconnected, it's time to unbolt the old starter. There are usually 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding it in place. Once these are removed, carefully maneuver the old starter out of its position. Now, take your new starter and position it correctly. Hand tighten the mounting bolts first, then use your wrench to secure them firmly, ensuring a snug fit. Almost done? Reconnect the electrical wires to your new starter, ensuring the main power cable and solenoid wire are securely attached. Double-check all connections. Next, reinstall any components you removed earlier, like heat shields or exhaust sections. Finally, reconnect the negative battery cable. Lower your vehicle, then start it up to confirm your new starter is working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.